Hello, my name is Richmond and I'm here to help you digitize in Embird. Please let's start with today's lesson. Today's tutorial is on how our edit image window works. Though I've made some videos on how to use some options in the edit image window, but today I will go through it thoroughly how an edit image window really works. So first import our image to our workspace. Then we go to our edit image window. Now the first section is how to rotate your image. You can use a left click or the right click to increase or to decrease the rotation, or you can use your left click to drag the radius in this circle to increase or decrease the rotation degrees. So when you're done, you click on apply for it to take effect. On the second tab is the resizing of your image. So let's say you want to increase the size of your image. You can use the second tab to increase the size of your image. You can use the left click or the right click to reduce the size of the image, or you can just left click on the arrow here. Then you enter your own value into it and click OK. Then click on apply for it to take effect. I've already made a video on how to really use this option in your digitizing. I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. Or the third tab in your edit image window is used to increase the space around an image. Let me demonstrate it to you. For you to really see the effect, I'll crop the image first. So let's say you've digitized your logo and maybe the customer wants an inscription around this section here about the logo, and in Embed is you don't have any space here to like write any inscription there because you've already covered all the space, or you've already cropped all the space. So to give more space so that you can write your inscription there, you can use the third tab. So when you go to the third tab, you see this section here, you increase it to 5 million. That's the highest number. When you click on apply, it will increase the borders of your image 5 millimeters. See, you got a little bit of space around it. So you can also, if the space here is very small, you can keep on increasing it till you have enough space for your lettering. So that's all for today's tutorial. Hello, that's Richmond helping you digitize in Embed. Subscribe to my channel for more future content like this. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.